Hello children, how are you all? I hope all are fine and safe at your home. So today I am here before you to give few instructions regarding the worksheets that are based on the OTRs. Totally we have given the 5 OTRs. So based on those OTRs we are giving the worksheets. So firstly we go to the first worksheet that is based on the first lesson, plants and animals, and that lesson is divided into 3 parts. So let me read the first worksheet. So in this worksheet it consists of the 6 mails. So first mail will go to the answer the following questions as you see in the video. The first question goes for what is food, why do plants and animals need food. So like that you have to complete all the answers by referring the OTRs as well as the textbooks. So second mail will go to the fill in the blanks. So for this also you have to go through the OTRs as well as the textbooks. So third main will go to the put a tick if the sentence is correct or a wrong if it is a wrong. So for those answers also you have to go through the worksheets as well as the textbooks. So fourth main it consists of the puzzle. So you have to circle the animals in this given puzzle and you have to categorize them into 3 parts that are herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. So next main will go to the label the parts of photosynthesis in the given boxes. So last main will go to the classify and name the following animals into herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. So let us move to the next worksheet. Part 2 that is also based on the plants and animals. Here also you will find the mails, totally 6. So in the first mail answer the following questions. To answer these questions you have to go through the OTRs as well as the textbook. So second mail will go to the fill in the blanks. Third mail, put a tick if the sentence is correct or a wrong if it is a wrong. So nextly fourth mail will go to the draw a plant by referring the given picture below, identify the type and name the plant. So like same as it is you have to draw here and you have to identify the type, either it is a annual plant or biennial plant or perennial plant. The fifth mail is match the following. You have to match the proper answers and you have to write the correct answers in the given spaces. Next main will go to the identify the type of a plant and name it. You have to identify these pictures and you have to name the plant, whether it is a rose plant, radish plant or whatever it is. You have to go through the OTR as well as the textbook to write the answers. So children, next we will move to the worksheet number 3, which is the third part of the first lesson. So let us move to the worksheet number 3, which is the third part of lesson number 1. So this worksheet consists of mainly 7 main parts. So let us go through one by one. So first main go to the answer the following questions. To answer these questions you have to refer the OTRs as well as the textbook. So second main will go to the name the organs used for breathing in the following animals given below. So it is divided into 2 parts. One is animals and their organs used for breathing. So go through the OTR, you will get the answers for this. So third main goes to the classify the following animals into oviparous and viviparous. So for this also you have to go through the. So children, let us go to the worksheet number 4, that is lesson number 2, adaptations in plants. It is divided into 2 parts. So let us move to the first part. So in this worksheet, the first part of this worksheet, it consists of the 3 mains. The first main goes to the answer the following questions. So refer the OTRs as well as the textbooks to write the answers. So second main is choose the correct one. So in this you will be having the 3 options. You have to find out the correct word or the answer to write the answer. Third main goes to the identify the given pictures. To write these answers, you have to refer the OTR as well as the textbooks. Thank you. So coming to the last worksheet number 5, that is lesson number 2, adaptation in plants, part second. So in this worksheet also we will find the 3 mains. So first main is the answer the following questions. To write the answers, you have to go through the worksheet, go to the. So coming to the last worksheet number 5, that is lesson number 2, adaptation in plants, part second. So in this worksheet also you will find the 3 mains. So first main is the answer the following questions. To write the answers, go to the OTR as well as the textbook. So second main is the choose the correct one. In this for the question 3 options are given. You have to find out the correct one answer. So third main is the match the following. So you have to match the proper part second read. So coming to the last worksheet number 5, that is lesson number 2, adaptation in plants, part second. So in this worksheet also you will find the 3 mains. So the first main is the answer the following questions. To answer these questions you have to refer the OTR as well as the textbook. So next we will go to the second main, choose the correct one. You have to find out the correct answer for the proper question. So next third main is the match the following. You have to match the proper images to the words given in the A column and write those answers in the answer column. I hope space given. So children, I hope you all understood the instructions given regarding the worksheets. I hope you will receive these worksheets as early as possible. So you have to complete the worksheets when you will receive the worksheets. Until then, take care, be safe. Thank you.